Welcome to this elegant 3-bedroom duplex in the Magnolias on Yas Island. We begin in the spacious living room, seamlessly connected to the open kitchen, which comes fully equipped with built-in appliances, including a refrigerator, stove, and dishwasher. Next, we move to the laundry area, which leads directly into the maid's room, complete with its own private bathroom. Down the hallway, there's a bright study room, perfect for working from home. Nearby, you'll find a generous storage room and a stylish powder room for guests. Heading upstairs, we're greeted with a large and welcoming family room, an ideal space for relaxing evenings. Next, we enter the master bedroom, a true private retreat within this home. The room is impressively spacious, offering plenty of natural light and a calming atmosphere. It features its own walk-in wardrobe, thoughtfully designed to keep clothing and accessories organized, and a luxurious ensuite bathroom with premium finishes, creating a spa-like experience right at home. We then explore the second bedroom, which comes with elegantly built-in wardrobes, offering both style and functionality. Just down the hallway, we find the common bathroom, designed with modern fixtures and finishes, providing comfort and convenience for family members and guests alike. Finally, we step into the third bedroom, another well-proportioned space, complete with ample natural light and built-in storage, making it ideal for creating a warm and inviting personal sanctuary. Stepping outside, this duplex offers a spacious garden, perfect for landscaping or even adding a private pool, along with 2 dedicated parking spaces. The home's total built-up area is 283 square meters, set on a generous 393 square meter plot. This is more than just a property. It's a modern, functional, and beautifully designed home ready to welcome you to Yas Island living. For more details, feel free to get in touch with us anytime.